Today, I'm in Bali, and I found out about one secret to relieve pain that I've never heard before. It's called
boreh.
Boreh.
boreh. So what is boreh? Boreh is a blend of spicy herbs like cinnamon, turmeric, and rice powder. Indonesian people mix it with water, rub it on their skin, and it makes pain go away.
Boreh works because it increases blood flow.
Which brings oxygen and nutrients to tissues. But it's hot! And the heat stays for a couple hours. After exhausting fieldwork, Indonesian rice farmers rub boreh on their body to warm sore muscles. Best of all, boreh is cheap. Making your own bag would cost less than $1. The next time you got back pain or arthritis, get these ingredients at your local supermarket and you can make your own boreh. It's a simple way to get your blood flowing and increase your chances to live to 100. Pain-free. That's one way to hack your age. See you next time. Boreh!